Hi! In front of me is TCL 40 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. You need to start by opening Devices Settings. In them, scroll all the way down. And when you're ready, select System at the bottom. Now select Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard, and Keyboard. Over here you need to select Theme section and scroll all the way down. Then click on Show More at the bottom right corners. This way you'll see all available themes. Finally, tap on the best one for you. I will go with that one. Manage key borders by hitting this switcher. And to save chosen keyboard, tap on Apply. So when I do that and go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to customize it though, access exactly the same settings. But this time tap on this plus icon under My Themes. Now select the photo that you wish to apply. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then hit Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Tap on Done. Manage key borders and hit Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!